Okay, next big problem. Starter motor. Chain loosened up a little, that's good. Still pretty tight. Okay, I got a new battery in here. The starter was not working last time I rode it. The Indian book looked like it was some kind of an oddball starter, but it looks like a Harley starter to me. Oh, I didn't fix this light, did I? Don't forget to fix that. So from what I can see on this side, it's just a Harley starter. The problem is some dumbass decided to put two oil lines right in front of the damn starter motor. This one's no big deal, it's the return line. This is the dump line, or the feed line, one of the two. Let's see, my guess is it is the feed line. Or does it go down the dump line? And it goes down the dump. I don't know where the feed line's at. Must be coming out the other side. So, I think I gotta dump the oil out of this thing to put a starter in it. Damn, I just got this oil broken in. Got like 20 miles on it. Alright, well, that's what's going to have to happen, I guess. I don't remember what exactly happened to the starter. I just remember it wouldn't start. So, let's go ahead and hook this thing up. See if we can figure out what is wrong with it. We have a starter relay right here. That might be something. There's a couple wires there. Alright, let's put this over here. What are you looking at me for? I'm not important. Look at the bike. So we got a I'm not sure why I got that lock washer in there, but I think it was a length issue. Okay, where's the key? Something makes it go boom, boom, boom. On the other side? No. Where's the key at? Quick! Where'd it go? I don't know. I don't see it. It's not hanging here. Maybe it's on the other side. No. Oh, there it is. Oh, shit, somebody took the key out of it though. Who the hell did that? Why did you take the key out of the bike? Must be this one with the Indian fob on it. There was two of these. There's another one over here. What's this one? Oh yeah, this one's got all kinds of trinkets on this one. What the hell is this? I think that's a fork lock. We definitely don't need that one. No way. This is the only one we need. I'm going to zip tie this onto the bike so it won't disappear. The last thing you want to do is have it falling off the bike while you're trying to race. Okay. Oh, headlight still doesn't work. Good. Not wasting any electricity. Okay, first position, no lights. Second one, we got lights. I think I know what the problem is. Starter bendix doesn't work. Okay. Starter bendix is bad. Alright. That can be fixed. It's called another starter. Okay, well at least we know what the problem is. The big problem is I gotta dump all the oil out of this thing to get the starter out of this damn thing. Damn. What a pain in the ass. Stupid. got to have a jack shaft in it. Yeah, there's one in there. Can't really see it, but I saw the seal. So this thing has a belt drive and it's got oil in it. It looks like a sieve. I don't even know how to get this piece of crap off, but I think I got to take it off to get this off. I don't even know. I don't know how that thing even works. Oh, this was worn out, I remember that. I need to replace this thing so it'll shift better. Take some of the slop out of the system. This one felt alright. Yeah, this one back here, not so alright. Yeah, look at that. See, that's so loose it's about ready to fall off. See, that's why you put a washer underneath your line joint so it can't fall off. If it gets bad enough like this, it'll fall off. That's got to be replaced. I gotta go find one of them. Alright, I guess we're going to have to do a lot more work than I wanted to on this thing. Damn. What a piece of crap. What's over here? I don't know. I have no idea what's under here. There's a zip tie under here. There, it's out of the way. Well, do we put it on the ground or do we leave it in the air? I think we're going to have to go with the ground anyway, so nothing like current. Current time is the best time, right? Alright, so I guess I probably should disconnect this battery. Yeah, I usually don't. Oh well. It's not really tight yet, I just kind of lightly put it on. So. Okay, leave that out. Okay. Oh. Oh, she dropped the front. I'm going to put these damn things right down here. Yep, get them out of the way. That far over. No, so strong. Well, actually, I do have to go that far over. Fixed in. Oh, yeah. she's on the kickstand. That's pretty easy to do, huh? Now let's see what we're going to do here. I want to see what's inside the primary down here. We need to get this thing down lower so we can see. Let's test out this new tripod. See how good it is. Ow. How's that? Pretty good, huh? Alright. My height now. Okay. I wonder what the hell's inside of this thing. Hopefully I don't have to pull the shifter off because I don't know how to get it off. Let's even collect some of the oil in this. Okay. Now we're collecting in that. Okay, let's see what's in this thing, because I don't know. The most I've done, I've had this derby cover off. And to drain the oil out of it. I know it's got a pro clutch in it, so it's got a Regura belt drive in it. This could have gaskets, it could have O-rings. Depends on what year it is. This thing's a boat anchor. Okay, I'm not supposed to dump the damn gasket into the slop. Some kind of a rubber gasket. If you lay your cover on the ground like that, it scratches it all up. So don't try not to do that. I'll clean that later. Alright. It's got a pro clutch in it. That it does. Okay, what's it going to take to get this thing off of here? Probably something pretty long, substantial. Let's see, shift lever's kind of in the way. Still in the way. There's the ball driver. Hopefully it's in neutral. Last time we ran the motor that way. If it goes this way, it'll run into the damn door over there. It'll get a lot more nasty. Usually need some kind of ball driver to get in this thing. Big ass ball driver. Probably smaller than that. Yep. Okay. Like that. There we go. Another one buried under here. Another short one. Need some more reamer work. junk on it or what? In there. One of the Allens. Should be all of them. Shifted a problem. I want a heavy ass cover.